the sun gives energy to the plants, and then the plants get eaten by the phytoplankton, then it gets eaten by the zooplankton, and the zooplankton gets eaten by the fish.
Plankton is important because it starts like the food chain.
At Save the Bay Boat, we had a net and we used teamwork to pull up the net, and we saw 2 jellyfishes. We found one of them were a lion's mane.
I learned about blue crabs, hermit crabs, spider crabs, and jellyfish.
I thought that whales was in the bay and Save the Bay, but they weren't. And so, because the bay was too small. In Save the Bay, I caught a red-bearded sponge.
I learned that drains go all the way to the ocean.
Don't litter, because then everything that you put goes into the water and then the animals die.
They gave us homework. They told us to tell at least 2 people how to keep the environment clean.